20 billion USD in dividends to Africans. In May 2026, Africa's richest man sat down at the headquarters of the International Finance Corporation in Washington, D.C., and made a promise. He said, and I am quoting him directly, "We will also guarantee that your dividend comes in dollars so that you preserve the value of your money. The biggest challenge we have in Africa is currency devaluation." That man was Aliko Dangote, and that promise was for $20 to $25 billion in dividends paid to African investors from the upcoming listing of his refinery across multiple African stock exchanges. $25 billion in dividends to Africans. Now, if you watched my first video on this channel, you already know why that one sentence is the most important thing any African billionaire has said about investing in years. I told you that currency devaluation is the silent tax that destroys African wealth. I told you that the solution is to hold USD-denominated assets. Dangote just built that solution into a $20 billion public company, and he is inviting you to own a piece of it. Today, I'm going to break down everything he said, what it means for your money, and exactly how you can position yourself to invest before and when this IPO opens. Stay with me. Before I break down what this means for your investments, let me give you some context, because the numbers in this story are extraordinary. Aliko Dangote built a refinery in Nigeria, a country that at one point was exporting 2.4 million barrels of crude oil per day while importing every single refined petroleum product it consumed. Gas, jet fuel, diesel, all imported from a country sitting on one of the world's great oil reserves. His refinery cost more than $20 billion to build. When global trading companies heard about the project, they said openly that it would never happen. Dangote said in the interview, "At the time when I started this refinery, I have never ever seen crude oil in my life." Today, that refinery has been tested at 661,000 barrels per day. It is stable at 650,000 barrels per day. It is the largest single-train refinery on Earth. The Dangote Group now projects $100 billion in annual revenue across its full portfolio, 30 to 35 billion in EBITDA. And Dangote is not stopping there. In the same interview, he announced a 20,000 megawatt power generation program. To put that in context, Nigeria's entire current installed power capacity is approximately 13,000 megawatts. He is planning to build more power capacity than Nigeria's entire national grid, as a private company. This is not a vision statement. This is a capital deployment roadmap, backed by cash flows that are already being generated. Now, here is where I want to connect this to something I said in my very first video on this channel, because Dangote just confirmed it in the most powerful way possible. In that video, I explained that currency devaluation is the silent enemy of every African investor. I showed you the math. If your local currency depreciates 10% against the dollar in a year, and your savings account pays 5% interest, you have actually lost 5% of your purchasing power. Your account balance went up. Your real wealth went down. I told you the solution was to hold assets that are denominated in US dollars, not because I love the US, but because the dollar is the global reserve currency, and protecting your savings against local currency volatility requires anchoring your wealth to something stable. Dangote said, verbatim, the following: "The biggest challenge we have in Africa is currency devaluation." And then he said this: "We will guarantee that your dividend comes in dollars so that you preserve the value of your money." Think about what just happened. Africa's wealthiest industrialist, who has deployed more than $20 billion across the continent, designed his investment offering specifically to solve the currency problem. He did not offer a Naira dividend. He did not offer a Rand dividend. He offered a dollar dividend because he understands better than anyone that currency risk is what keeps African capital leaving Africa. The Dangote Refinery IPO is not just a stock. It is a currency hedge, built into an African asset, tradable on African exchanges. In my first video, I talked about VOO and protect yourself with dollar assets. Dangote is now offering you the African version of that strategy from the continent itself. Now let us talk about what this actually means for you as an investor. Whether you are in Lagos, Dakar, London, Montreal, or New York, the Dangote Refinery IPO will be a multi-country listing. That means it will trade on multiple African stock exchanges simultaneously, not just the Nigerian stock exchange. Dangote said explicitly that he wants Africans across different countries to be able to buy. The dividend structure is designed as follows. Dividends are calculated in US dollars, so the value is anchored to the dollar, and then payable in local currencies including Naira and Rand. This means that even if the Naira depreciates, your dividend income is calculated against a dollar base. Your purchasing power is partially protected. Now the IPO is not open yet. Here is how to prepare. Step 1. Open a brokerage account on the Nigerian Stock Exchange, or an international brokerage that will carry the listing when it launches. Bamboo and Chaka already allow Nigerians and diaspora Africans to access NSE-listed stocks. Interactive brokers may carry the international components of the listing. Step 2. Do your own due diligence. The refinery is real. 650,000 barrels per day. Verified. But this is a large, complex industrial company operating within Nigeria's economic environment. Currency risk is reduced by the dollar dividend structure, but it is not eliminated. Read the prospectus when it is published. Understand the risks. Step 3. Position yourself ahead of time. Dangote said, "We are trying to list it for all Africans." That includes you. Retail investors in Africa have rarely been offered access to a world-class industrial asset at the ground floor. This is that moment. And if you are in the diaspora, this is exactly the kind of investment I described in my first video. A quality African asset with a dollar anchor, open to you. Right now is the time to prepare, not after the IPO is announced. Remember, I said that every year the African diaspora sends $96 billion back to Africa, but only less than 4% of that money gets invested. What if you start making a difference with this dollars-denominated dividend-driven vehicle right here in Africa? I want to step back from the investment mechanics for a moment, because there is something else Dangote said that I think is more important than any individual stock. He said, "I need 38 visas to move around Africa. How do I invest if I am not able to move around? It doesn't make sense." He said shipping a cargo from Lagos to Accra costs more than shipping it from Spain to Lagos. He said that short flights between West African capitals can cost $600. These are structural inefficiencies that make intra-African trade and investment more expensive than it should be. But here is the part Dangote did not say that I want to say to you directly. Every single one of those inefficiencies is an investment opportunity. The logistics gap, that is a company. The energy gap, that is a company. The financial infrastructure gap, that is a company. In fact, it is the Ghana card we talked about 2 weeks ago. Dangote built the African Renaissance Group, a coalition of major African business leaders, to advocate for free movement of people, goods, and services across the continent. He said, "We will open Africa by demonstrating that we believe in Africa, by investing our money in Africa." That is the philosophy behind this channel. He leads with billions. You can lead with $50, but the principle is identical. The question is not whether Africa will rise. The data says it already is. The question is whether you will be a spectator or an owner when it does. Let me give you your action plan for this week. 3 things, specific and immediate. Action 1. Open a brokerage account if you do not have one yet. Links are in the description. Bamboo for Nigerian users, interactive brokers for diaspora, Chaka as a secondary option. This is your infrastructure. You need it before the IPO, not during. Action 2. Watch the original Dangote IFC interview. The link is in my description. It is 23 minutes. Take notes on his power and water plans, because the refinery is one part of a much larger investment thesis that we will cover in future videos. Action 3. Share this video with one person in your network who sends money home every month but has never invested in African markets. The Dangote IPO will be one of the most significant retail investment opportunities Africa has ever offered. That person deserves to know about it before it opens. On this channel, I am building the most practical, data-driven African finance community in the world for Africans and the diaspora who are ready to be owners, not just spectators. Subscribe, hit the bell, and I will see you in the next video.